then connected siya sa TP-Link router. So, itong TP-Link na router is acting as a load balancer because meron akong dalawang ISP, the Globe and the PLDT, in which nasa baba yung modem. Connected sila dito sa tag-iisang one port. Tapos ito nag-a-act na siya as load balancer. Hindi pwedeng mag-add yung dalawang speed ng ISP kasi different network sila. As you know, sa networking, hindi nag-a-add pag different yung ASN or different networks. So, yun. Ito naman yung PoE switch ko which powers up the AP sa bahay kasi naka PoE tayo. Then, ito yung Omada controller which controls the entire system ng TP-Link. Pati rin ito sa connected na GE switch. So, yun. Ito yung setup natin. Sorry for cabling.